Hey guys, Jacob here, and in this short video, we will show you how you can get any data from the Amazon SP API and Advertisement API through DataDoe MCP and build dashboards, build PDF reports, and just get any data with your AI agent. In this particular video, we'll be configuring Cursor AI agent and connecting it to DataDoe MCP to get access to all of your Amazon data. Enjoy.
Hi everyone, I'm Casper, a software engineer at Delta Logic and the team behind DataDoe. DataDoe is an AI-powered ecosystem to connect, view, analyze, and work with Amazon data. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to supercharge your AI workflows by connecting your favorite AI agent directly to the DataDoe MCP. Here is exactly what we will cover in this video. First of all, I show you how to get access to our DataDoe MCP tool. Then I'll explain what this connection actually means. Instead of spending hours building complex integrations with the Amazon SP API and Ads API, the DataDoe MCP acts as a ready-to-use data layer. It collects, processes, and shares your Amazon data so your AI agent can understand and use it instantly. Finally, we are going to put this to the test. By the end of this video, we will run through a series of live prompts to extract specific seller data, use the AI to generate a fully interactive Amazon seller dashboard, and even write a script to automatically generate weekly PDF business reports. We are at the first point to get access to our DataDoe MCP, so let's get right into it. First, we need to grab our MCP key to get access to DataDoe MCP tool. Head over to app.datadoe.com and log into your account. Please note that you must have an active DataDoe subscription to access the key generation module. Then, navigate to the Integrations tab and click on it. Then we have to go to our MCP tile and click on it. Then we will be navigated to our special MCP module, and we have to click on MCP key. We have to name it, set expiration between 7 days till 1 year, and then click on MCP, create MCP key. All right, we have generated MCP key. You have to copy this and also make sure you will copy this secret URL. We will use it in next videos, but keep in mind that you have to also copy this MCP key because this monit and this key to copy will be not shown again. So click on it. MCP key was copied to clipboard, done, and then you will show on the MCP key list your newly created MCP key. On to the second point of our agenda. What does connection between AI agent and DataDoe MCP mean? So first of all, I would like to show you how our DataDoe ecosystem works. We have DataDoe app, which is web application that allows users to set up Amazon connections and use all DataDoe features intended for human use. Then we have DataDoe REST API, which is made for users more technical to build complex applications, automations, and scripts. And then we have DataDoe MCP tool, which is the main topic of our video, which is a tool for everyone to integrate with AI agent. Okay, so now I will show you how this connection works. So previously, integrating with Amazon SP API and Ads API was very complex. First of all, you had to have data connector, any custom logics, and registered application in Amazon selling partner. And this data connector made API call to SP API or Ads API, get response, make some processes, validating those data, collecting in database, and also probably you had a client, which was a UI tool, which analyzing data fetched from database, processing this response, and then probably visualizing, sending some reports to users, etc., etc. But now we have a modern way that we'll present you in this video, where we have a user who is prompting to AI agent like cursor agent. This agent reasoning this prompt and then processing this request and call DataDoe MCP tool, which is ready to use data layer, which returns to AI agent data which are needed to properly process tasks delegated by user. And then AI agent prepare and present final result for the user in the chat or preparing some next actions to perform. Today, I will show you how to connect DataDoe MCP with Cursor agent. So first of all, you have to have installed Cursor IDE, and then you have to have created repository to work with our DataDoe MCP. If you don't want to create your own repository, you can copy our free template repository, which is published in our DeltaLogic profile. So the only thing you can do is to just copy this URL and use git clone to clone our repository. When you will have this, you have to open Cursor and choose this repository. So let's move on. And here we are in DataDoe MCP Cursor repository. And here, as you can see, there is our directory. More info about setting up this repository you can find in README. There is a kind of documentation how to work with this repository. And then you have to paste your previously created MCP key in mcp.json file. Here as a value of header DataDoe MCP key. This will be used to authorize the access from AI agent in the cursor to our DataDoe MCP. And that is exactly all, but you have to keep in mind that storing secret in this plain text in mcp.json is not safe, but cursor currently does not support loading directly MCP key to this value directly from the .env file, but we have prepared our repository to do that. So when Cursor in the future will support this integration, we will let you know and we will update our README. But for now, you have to paste this key in this way. After paste MCP key, you have to go to Cursor settings, then go to tools and MCPs, and then check if connection is active. Probably your connection will be disabled by default, so this toggle will be gray and there will be no green circle. The only thing you have to do is to click just this toggle and wait for communication. Cursor will connect with our DataDoe MCP tool to list all available tools shared with you by DataDoe MCP. And that's all. Connection is ready to use in Cursor workspace. We have ready connection between Cursor AI agent and our DataDoe MCP tool. Let's start with something simple to test the connection. I asked the agent, show my sellers registered on Amazon.com, and because we are connected to DataDoe, it instantly reads the connected accounts and we can see probably our list of available sellers. So I paste this prompt. Please remember that you have to turn on AI agent on, not ask or other mode in Cursor, because without agent mode, connection with DataDoe MCP will not work. So let's send this request to our DataDoe MCP. And here, as you can see, there is a reasoning process conducted by Cursor AI agent, and it finds that it has to perform request to DataDoe MCP and read DataDoe MCP.md to direct in DataDoe ecosystem to use proper tool to perform our request. Okay, and here is the final response. We have two sellers in DataDoe at workspace DeltaLogic. we have Delta UK and JMFA LTDDE. Okay, so now let's pull some recent data. Show my sales for last 7 days for Delta UK seller. The MCP translates this intent, fetches the exact process data, and feeds it back to the agent in few seconds. We have to give permission our agent to perform some MCP tool. Okay, and we have a response for Delta UK over the last 7 days. And here is a day and the value for sales and total for us and other additional data. So now we can also do deeper analytics from advertisement. So let's paste another prompt. Prepare me a report which includes top 5 PPC child ASINs by spend for the last month for Delta UK. Okay, so AI agents prepares for us a new report for us as a text response. When it comes to top 5 PPC, we have top 5 ASINs with proper send values and other additional metrics. So now let's get some specific order details next. As I paste next prompt. Prepare a list of orders for Delta UK seller for the last month which order status is cancelled. Provide Amazon order ID, order status, date, fulfillment channel, and city destination. So let's send it and wait for response. Okay, so AI agents send us a response that the export returned so many cancelled orders, and now it prepares for us total output to visualize how many orders were cancelled in March. Okay, we have next analyze by a agent that there was some duplicates returned from the report, and now AI agent is able to fix it for us. Okay, so AI agent returned that prepared canvases, Delta Logic UK cancelled orders last month, Canvas TSX. I used Canvas because this is a large MCP result set. So let's open it. And here, as you can see, there is a ready to consume list of all 540 cancelled orders. So yeah, that was very complex task. As you can see, it perfectly filters the data and formats it with exactly the columns we requested. Let's go to the next case study to take all this context and build a beautiful UI. I'm going to give the agent a detailed prompt to build a modern, responsive React dashboard using Tailwind CSS and recharts. I'm asking it to build a KPI grid for total sales, unit sales, orders, and ACOS, complete with color-coded trend indicators. Below that, I want a day-by-day line chart tracking total profit versus ad cost. Let's hit this prompt, and one element to think about it, because Cursor yesterday published a new feature, which is Canvas, and in this prompt, you have to keep in mind that /canvas needs to be highlighted to build this beautiful UI. So let's correct it. Yes, and as you can see, Canvas now is highlighted. So now let's go to create it. During processing this request, I will show you information about the Canvas, that you can find more information about Canvases feature on cursor.com, changelog, and this date to learn more how to use it properly. Okay, and now we have ready to use Delta UK seller dashboard. Let's click on this button. And now, as you can see, there is a beautiful dashboard with grid of some KPIs, total sales, total units sold, total orders, total ACOS with percentage change versus previous comparison period, as I attach in this a little bit complicated prompt. And here there is a financial overview for March 2026, where we are comparing total profit and ads cost for DataDoe UK day by day. Okay, and that's it.
Now, for our final case study, let's look at the automation. I want the agent to create a script that generates a weekly PDF business report for DataDoe UK seller. So I am pasting a prompt that asks is to use the React PDF library, pull data for the date range of April 9th to April 16th, 2026, including daily revenue, ad spend, and flagged events. I'm also giving it strict document formatting instructions, a professional header, a financial summary, blog with an AI-generated text summary, a section for suspicious activity, and exactly 3 actionable strategic recommendations. So let the agent work, and we are waiting for result. So now I will close our previous dashboard result and open File Explorer to waiting for AI agent result. Probably, as you can see, agent is creating for us set of files and dependencies to create a simple React.js app. So now, as you can see, there is ready to use script in JavaScript, which was executed by our AI agent. And here we have generated DataDoe UK weekly report.pdf file. So let's open it in our root directory. And now, as you can see, there is ready to consume PDF file with all needed data. This file is perfectly structured, corporate business report, which can be ready to send to our stakeholders or clients.
Okay, that is how easy it is to connect your AI agents to DataDoe MCP. Whether you want to instantly query your seller metrics, build beautiful custom dashboards, or automate PDF reporting, DataDoe provides the data layer to make it happen. Thank you so much for watching. If you run into any issues or have questions about the setup, drop a comment down below and we'll be happy to help you. If you want to try this out for yourself, head over to datadoe.com to start your 7-day free trial of our AI platform. Please hit the subscribe button for the DataDoe channel, give this video a thumb up if you found it helpful, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.